Assalamualaikum and a very good day to the most honorable lecturer, Madam Rosmiza Wahidah Binti Abdullah, and to my dear friends. Today me, AZWIN BINTI AIDI KHARSANA, and my teammate, which is SITI NURUL binti Muhammad FAUZI, would like to present our project system titled Library Management System. This project is about library management system which focus on organizing, managing the library and library-oriented tasks, where it will involve in maintaining the database of add, update, delete and search book. It also can check the availability of the book that has been keyed into the system. Each of the books has an identification where the system can manage the books properly according to their arrangement in the system. The aim of this project is providing an easy-to-handle and automated library management system. This project also provides a system that can be maintaining a librarian records and student data. The system will save the student data, such as the student's name and metric number, while the data of librarian that will keep in the system are the librarian's name and their salary. Moreover, the admin can view the students' and librarians' data in this system. The system is capable of managing to borrow or returning the books from the student. The books can easily be searched by title, author, and also from publisher name. This library management system is simple, user-friendly, powerful, and developed for easy entry of data. Makes the library management operations easy to handle by the librarian. Using this system, it helps eliminate paper-based processes and maintenance overheads and also saves time. The paper-based process might occur data loss. However, with this system, it is much secure and reliable. Only the authorized personnel can log into the system and use it. So we can conclude that the library management system is needed in managing the data of the books, students and librarians efficiently and avoid the data losses.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti ANITH binti Muhammad FAUZI, and I will explain the class diagram and demonstrating the system of the program. So this is the class diagram, consists of five classes. Okay, the first class is class person. The class person is the superclass for the class student and class librarian. It only have one attribute, which is name, and three operation: person name, set name, and get name. For class student is a subclass for class person. So since it is a subclass, it will inherit name from person. So this class only have one attribute, which is metric number, and three operation: student name, set metric number, and get metric number. So for the class librarian, consists of the class librarian is also the subclass of the person, so it will also inherit name from person. So it has two attributes, ID and salary. It consists of 5 operations, which are librarian, set ID, get ID, set salary, and get salary. For borrow book class, it has 3 attributes: STMT, which is statement, status, and ID. 2 operation, which is borrow and available book. So class book has 6 attributes, which are ID, title, author, publishing name, pub name, type, and status. And also has 6 operations, which is search book, view book list, add book, book found, edit book, and delete book. Okay, this is for our system demonstration. First, we need to open XAMPP, and then we need to start Apache and MySQL. So open admin to show the database of our system. PHP myadmin already open, so we look at our database system, which is library management system database. We only input one table, which is book. So in this database, we input a total of 9 data, which is consists of book, book ID, book title, book author, publisher name, book type, and book status. Now back to our system. We created a total of 6 classes, which are book.java, person.java, student.java, librarian.java, borrowbook.java, and main.java. Okay, first we run the system first. Okay, the system is running. So database successfully connected, which means that this system has already connected to the database, which is PHP myadmin, using the XAMPP software that we have opened just now. So for the system, this is the main menu of the system. Consists of 8 menu option. So the user need to insert the appropriate input, which is the number of the menu, in order to view the menu. Okay, please select menu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say that we input other than the number that the system want. For example, 9. It will say, sorry, you're keying the wrong menu. Do you want to continue? Y for yes and N for no. If you key in Y, it will go straight to the main menu again. If no, let's say no. If no, thank you for using the system. So the system will close, and it need to run again in order to use the system. Okay, we run the system again. So let's see menu 1 first. View student or member list. So it will show the list of the student. There are 10 students here. Number, which is the total of the students, the name of the student, and metric number. So do you want to continue? Yes. So for menu 2, which is view librarian list, it will show the list of the librarian. There are 5 librarians that we have input here. So the librarian consists, the librarian data consists of name, library ID, and the salary. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, let's skip to menu 5 first. So for menu 5, view book list. It will show the data of all the books. There are total of 9 books that we have included in the database, which consists of the ID, book title, book author, publisher, type, and status. So do you want to continue? So let's go to the search book, which is menu 4. Enter book ID. Let's say 9. It will show book title, Great Love, author Catherine Dunn, publisher Vintage, type non-fiction, status available. So let's say if we key in the ID that is not in the database of the system, which is number 10, it will show that the ID it will show the ID was not found. So for borrow book, let's go to the borrow book menu, which is number 3. Okay, for borrow book, first it will show the list of the book in the database. So enter book ID that you want to borrow. Let's say we borrow Never Let Me Go. So we input number 3 for the ID. So it shows that you have borrowed the book. Do you want to continue? Yes. So let's go again to the borrow book, number 3. So enter again, let's say we borrow the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which is ID number 4. So we input the ID is number 7. So we input number 7. So it says here, sorry, the book that you have borrowed is not available or not in the system. So this is because here status. Status here means that whether the book is available or not available to be borrowed. Yes. Sorry, the book that you want to borrow is not available or not in the system. This is because of the status. It depends on the status whether it is available or not available. So it means that user cannot borrow the book if the status of the book is unavailable. If the status of the book is available, then the user can borrow the book. Yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. So for add book menu, which is number 6, add a new book. So enter the book title. For example, Sang Kancil. Enter the book author. I input my name, which is NURUL ANITH. Enter the publisher name. So let's say the publisher name is buku-buku. And the book type whether it is fiction or not fiction. Let's say the book is non-fiction. Enter the book status, available or not unavailable. Let's say it is available. So then the system will state that one new book successfully added. Do you want to continue? Yes. So to show that the book has been added, we go to the view book list, which is number 5. So this is the new book that we have input earlier. The ID, the reason the ID is number 10 is because in the database we auto increment the data. So let's see the data in my PHP My Admin. See, the data that we input in the system has been sent to the database here. Okay. You want to continue? Yes. So for editing the book, let's see the menu for the edit book info. So it will show the book list, all the book list info. So enter the book ID that you want to edit. Let's say if we input the wrong ID or the book ID, wrong book ID. Yes. Let's say we input number 0 and it will say the ID was not found. Do you want to continue? Yes. So let's go back to the edit book info. Let's say we want to let's say we want to edit book Gilead, which is ID number 8. So we input number 8, enter the new book ID. Let's say Gilead book author Marilyn Robinson, publisher Ferrer, type fiction, available. If the book is available, we change it to unavailable. So the system will say one book updated. Do you want to continue? So we say yes. So let's see whether the book is updated or no. So we go to the menu 5. So this is the book that we have edit. So it is different from this. So it means that the data has been updated. So let's go see the data at the database. So this is the book that we have edit. So the book, it means that the book has successfully edited. Okay, let's look at menu 8, which is delete the book. So we go to insert 8. So it will show the book list, all the book list. Enter book ID to delete. So again, let's say we input the wrong ID or book ID that was not in the database. So let's say 25. It will say the ID was not found. So do you want to continue? Yes. So let's go back to the delete book menu. So let's say we want to delete my book, which is Sang Kancil. So we input the ID, which is number 10. So then the system will ask again, are you sure you want to delete this book? So go yes. So one book is deleted. So do you want to continue? Yes. So let's go back to the view book list menu. We input number 5 and let's see. So the Sang Kancil book is not here, means that the data has been deleted. So let's see at the database whether the book that we have deleted also erased in the system, I mean the database. So here, this is the proof that the book also has been deleted in the database also. Let's see what. Let's go back to the delete menu 8. So let's say we want to we input ID 9. So are you sure you want to delete this book? So if we say no, N, we input N, it will show nothing. And do you want to continue? Yes. So let's look at the book list, whether the data is still there or not. Okay, so the data is still there. So do you want to continue? No. Yes, do you want to continue? No. So thank you for using this system. So I think that's all the function that we have demonstrated in this system. So thank you.